Welcome back. Today we're diving into 35 unique and interesting facts about good old Kentucky. Let's dive right in. 1. Did you know it's actually illegal to carry an ice cream cone in your back pocket on Sundays in Kentucky? Apparently it was a trick to steal horses. 2. If you're thinking of remarrying your ex in Kentucky, better stop it 3 times. 4 is actually illegal. 3. You can't sell a dyed blue duckling unless you've got at least 6 of them. Because, that makes it better somehow. 4. Throwing eggs or tomatoes at public speakers. Yeah, that'll get you in trouble here. 5. There's a law requiring dogs to have a permit to molest vehicles. No clue how that gets enforced. 6. Reptiles are banned from religious services. Sorry, snake handlers. 7. It's illegal to hunt whales in Kentucky. A bold stance for a state with no ocean. 8. If you've ever dueled someone, you're technically banned from holding public office in Kentucky. 9. The Happy Birthday song? Yep, that classic tune was written by 2 sisters from Louisville. 10. Kentucky's Mammoth Cave is the longest cave system on the planet. Over 400 miles explored. 11. Believe it or not, there are more bourbon barrels in Kentucky than there are people. 12. There's a town called Monkey's Eyebrow. It's real, and look it up. 13. The official state dance is clogging. It's like tap dancing, but with Appalachian spice. 14. Yes, Kentucky has an actual castle. The Kentucky Castle in Versailles. 15. Colonel Sanders kicked off his finger-licking legacy right here in Corbin, KY. 16. Ale 8. 1 is Kentucky's own soda. Citrus, ginger, and only found around here. 17. Bluegrass isn't actually blue. It just looks bluish when it buds. 18. Rabbit Hash, KY, has had multiple dog mares. And yes, they're very good boys. 19. A woman in Hodgenville once got hit by a meteorite. The only confirmed case of that happening in U.S. history. 20. Post-it notes? Invented by a guy from Kentucky. 21. One town banned Pokemon cards for spiritual reasons. Talk about overkill. 22. A horse named Pants on Fire ran in the Kentucky Derby. He didn't win, but the name's a winner. 23. Red River Gorge is so big it actually creates its own little weather system. 24. Lexington has more restaurants per person than New York City. Bet you didn't expect that. 25. Ashland once declared war on squirrels. They were chewing through the Christmas lights. 26. Some Derby horses are treated like royalty. We're talking massages and organic oats. 27. One racehorse even had its own hotel suite before a big race. Seriously. 28. Kentucky has a life-size replica of Noah's Ark. Yep, full biblical scale. 29. The first American performance of Beethoven's Fifth Symphony happened right here. 30. Berea College doesn't charge tuition, and every student works on campus. 31. Kentucky is the birthplace of both Abraham Lincoln and Jefferson Davis, 2 Civil War leaders from the same state. 32. It's illegal to sell your own eyeballs, just in case that was on your to-do list. 33. Fort Knox stores a massive chunk of U.S. gold, and no one's getting in there. 34. Fun fact, Kentucky is the only U.S. state bordered entirely by rivers. 35. And if you like creepy things, check out the Vent Haven Museum. It's full of old ventriloquist dummies. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next state.